Hello, my fashion family. So I was invited to this wedding and I started thinking what I'm going to wear, and I came up with this idea to make a dress with these leaf designs, or what do I call it, petals, or these triangles. So I said, let me show you how I came out with this beautiful dress. I wore it to this wedding and it was the talk of the day. So I'm going to be showing you how I made these triangle shapes. So this is the dress. You can see it looking so beautiful. So I began by drafting it on my pattern paper. So the first thing I did was to fold my paper at the right angle triangle, that is the 90 degrees angle. So I folded into two, as you can see me doing. And at the tip of that angle, I measured 7 inches down and I started marking. So I measured 7 inches all through and I drew my line. After that, I came in with my straight ruler to make the line straight. And then I went ahead to cut it out. So this is the shape I got, and when you fold it into two, it gives you that triangle shape. So I brought in my fabric, folded into two as well, and I placed the folded side on the folded side of my fabric and I cut it out. So I had to fold into two so that I cut two pieces at a time. So this is the design. This is the triangle. One side is folded. So I'm going to go ahead and close the other side so that we have just the lower part open. So we are closing this side. So I'll take it to the machine and close it. So we have it here already stitched. So I'm going to flip it out and I'll use my screwdriver to push out the sharp edge. Same with this other one. So I went ahead and did as many as possible. Now I'm going to go ahead and iron it flat. So I'll bring in my steam iron and begin ironing them one after the other. Guys, I'll assure you, you need a lot of patience for this design and lots of fabric. For this dress, I used 6 meters of Mikado fabric. So I'll continue ironing till I iron all these pieces. So these are the pieces already ironed. So now one side is still open, so I'm going to take it to my weaving machine and weave this open side closed. This is to prevent the fabric from fraying. So this is the side I'm going to be weaving. So I've finished weaving and we have some excess threads. I'm going to trim all this off. So the next thing is to take your already sewn skirt. This is a skirt already sewn, and the only side open is the zipper side that is remaining open. So now I'm going to begin placing my triangle shapes on the skirt part, and I'll make them overlap on each other so that the fabric beneath does not show. But I later realized that with this white fabric, it is difficult to close it all without any parts showing. So the final dress I made, I used the same onion color fabric to sew the dress underneath, both the upper part and the lower part. So after placing them, I used my sewing pins to pin them on each other to avoid it from moving. So that is the first line done. I'm going to move ahead to arrange the second line. And while arranging the second line, make sure it also overlaps under the first line so that the fabric underneath does not show, as you can see me doing. Please like this video. If you find it useful, please click on the like button. Also turn on your notification so that whenever I upload a video, you will get notified. So I finished arranging these two lines. I'll go ahead and stitch them before I continue. So that is how you're going to do to all the dress before joining it to the upper part. So this is how I achieved my dress, and I wore it to this wedding. You can see me looking all beautiful. Tell me in the comment section, are you going to try this out? So I went ahead and embellished it with trimmings from a lace fabric. Isn't this beautiful? Thank you for watching. Bye bye.